I still remember freezing in my garage, wrestling with a brittle automotive wiring harness. My cheap pliers slipped, stripping the wire and smashing my knuckles into the alternator. Finding the right automotive electrical pliers is incredibly frustrating because most sets either lack precision or feature bulky handles that simply won't fit into a cramped engine bay. Today, I'm ranking the top automotive electrical plier sets to save your wires and your hands, counting down to my absolute favorite. By the end, you'll know exactly which set you need for your toolbox. 7. Hurricane 7-piece. It comes with everything from linesman and diagonal cutters to slip joint and needle nose pliers, which theoretically covers every base you might encounter while rewiring a car stereo or hooking up auxiliary lights. The drop-forged steel has a decent weight to it, and out of the box, they look like a solid starter kit for a weekend mechanic. However, putting these to the test in a real-world automotive electrical scenario quickly revealed some glaring inconsistencies. When dealing with delicate automotive wiring, precision is absolutely everything. I attempted to use the diagonal cutters to cleanly snip a thin 18-gauge signal wire for a sensor, and the jaws simply mashed the copper strands instead of cutting them. The machining on the cutting edges just wasn't perfectly flush, leaving frayed wire ends that made sliding heat shrink tubing over them incredibly frustrating. Furthermore, the needle nose pliers suffered from a noticeable amount of flex when I tried to pull a stubborn relay out of a tight fuse box. The tips did not align perfectly under pressure, causing them to slip off the plastic housing multiple times. For automotive electrical work, where you're constantly dealing with fragile plastic connectors and tiny metal pins, having jaws that twist and misalign under moderate pressure is a massive hindrance that slows down your entire project. Finally, the handle grips became a significant safety hazard once my hands got slightly oily from reaching around the engine block. The thin plastic sleeves on the handles offer very little texture, and during one particularly tough pull on a corroded ground wire, the grip actually started to slide right off the metal handle. 6. IRWIN Tools 207-8709. IRWIN is a household name in the tool world, and this set boasts their famous groove lock pliers alongside traditional diagonal cutters, long nose pliers, and slip joints. My initial impressions were quite positive. The tools feel robust in the hand, and using the groove lock pliers to unbolt a heavily corroded battery terminal was a breeze. The push-button adjustment mechanism is incredibly smooth and allows for rapid resizing when moving between different size battery cables and chassis ground bolts. The long nose pliers in this set also proved to be quite capable when reaching deep into the engine bay to retrieve dropped fuses. The tips are reasonably fine, and the internal teeth provide a decent bite on plastic housings. For general automotive maintenance, having a versatile set of vice grips is practically mandatory, and these certainly live up to the brand's reputation for building durable, heavy-duty hand tools that can take a beating on the garage floor. However, when focusing specifically on automotive electrical work, this set begins to show its limitations. The diagonal cutters, while strong enough to snip a thick zip tie, severely struggled to provide a clean, flush cut on fine automotive wiring. Much like the previous set, the blades tend to pinch the wire insulation rather than slicing cleanly through it, which forces you to go back and clean up the wire ends before attempting to crimp on a terminal. In electrical work, a jagged cut can lead to a weak connection, which is a major drawback. Additionally, the ProTouch grips, while highly comfortable during dry use, prove to be highly susceptible to automotive fluids. 5. WORKPRO W001329A. This set covers the essentials, including needle nose, diagonal, and linesman pliers, all crafted from drop-forged steel. When I took these out to wire up a new aftermarket stereo harness, I was immediately struck by the solid, weighty feel of the tools. The pivot joints were nicely lubricated right out of the box, allowing for smooth, one-handed operation without that gritty, stiff feeling you often get with budget tools. For automotive electrical tasks, The needle nose and diagonal cutters are the absolute stars of this specific kit. I use the cutters extensively on 14-gauge primary wire, and they slice through the copper core with a satisfying, crisp snap. The jaws align significantly better than the lower-ranked options, which allowed me to securely grip and bend thin wires into perfect hooks for relay terminals. The machining on the teeth is sharp and precise, grabbing onto wire insulation without shredding it to pieces. I was also deeply impressed by the double-dipped handles. They offer a slightly rubberized, tactile grip that held up remarkably well even when my hands were coated in grime from working near the oil pan. They don't slide around on the metal shanks, giving you the confidence to squeeze hard when crimping a stubborn connector. The handles are also slightly thicker than standard grips, which really helped reduce hand fatigue during a long afternoon of tracing electrical faults under the dashboard. While they might lack some of the highly specialized, high-leverage pivot designs or insulated features of ultra-premium brands, they offer incredible value and reliability. They survive being dropped on concrete multiple times without the jaws knocking out alignment, and the spring back on the cutters felt highly responsive. For DISEN Pliers. Anyone who does modern automotive electrical work knows the absolute terror of trying to unplug a brittle 15-year-old plastic mass airflow sensor or ignition coil connector. Standard pliers easily crush the housing, and screwdrivers snap the locking tabs. These DISEN pliers are engineered specifically to solve that exact problem, featuring uniquely curved, extended jaws designed to hook onto locking tabs without damaging them. Testing these on a stubborn, heat-baked coolant temperature sensor plug was an absolute revelation. Instead of fighting with a pick tool and a flathead screwdriver for 10 minutes, I simply slid the curved jaws of the DISEN pliers over the connector, gently squeezed to depress the tab, and pulled. The connector popped right off perfectly intact. The amount of time, frustration, and money these save by preventing you from having to splice a new pigtail connector is simply immeasurable. The extended reach of these pliers is an absolute lifesaver. When you are reaching down behind the intake manifold or tracing a harness near the firewall, standard pliers just cannot get the proper angle to apply leverage. The DISEN pliers feature a long, slender profile that slips right into those cramped engine bay crevices, allowing you to apply perfectly even pressure to the connector release buttons. The build quality is excellent, featuring a rust-resistant coating that easily shrugs off coolant and brake clean. Furthermore, the grips are highly ergonomic, featuring a non-slip texture that performs brilliantly even when coated in grease. While they aren't meant for cutting or stripping wire, their specific utility in automotive electrical work makes them completely indispensable. 3. DURATECH Diagonal Pliers. The moment you open this set, you can immediately feel the massive upgrade in machining quality and steel density. I put these straight to work on a complete trailer wiring overhaul, heavily testing their cutting, gripping, and wire twisting capabilities. The polished finish on the high-carbon steel not only looks fantastic, but brilliantly resists the corrosive effects of battery acid and road salt. The diagonal cutters in this set are absolutely phenomenal. They feature aggressively induction-hardened cutting edges that snip through thick 4-gauge battery cables and tiny, delicate 20-gauge signal wires with equal, effortless precision. The blades meet perfectly flush, creating a razor-sharp cut that leaves no jagged copper strands behind. This perfectly flush cut is crucial because it ensures your wire ends slide effortlessly into but connectors and heat-shrink tubing without snagging or puncturing the protective seals. The linesman pliers in this DURATECH set proved incredibly useful for securely twisting heavy-gauge automotive wires together before soldering a permanent joint. The aggressive crosshatch teeth on the jaws grip the copper tightly without completely mangling or breaking the individual strands. Additionally, the integrated crimper behind the pivot point is surprisingly effective for securing non-insulated terminals, providing a rock-solid crimp that easily withstood my aggressive pull testing. DURATECH is ergonomic, dual material handles significantly reduce hand fatigue during long, intricate wiring projects. They provide excellent, comfortable leverage, meaning you do not have to squeeze with all your might to cut through thick primary wires or thick zip ties. The handles are securely bonded to the steel and fiercely resist automotive chemicals. 2. GEARWRENCH 82204C. The Pitbull name is not just a marketing gimmick. It is a deadly accurate description of how these tools perform. When these jaws bite down on a stubborn terminal, a stripped bolt, or a heavy gauge wire, they simply do not let go. I tested these extensively while rebuilding a high-output alternator and wiring up an auxiliary light bar, and they performed flawlessly under heavy duress. The K9 jaw design is an absolute masterpiece of engineering. It features highly aggressive, angled teeth that grip incredibly well, which is surprisingly helpful when dealing with heavily corroded ground bolts strapped to a rusty chassis. The jaws allow you to grab onto round, flat, or hex-shaped objects with total confidence. The needle nose pliers feature a beautifully tapered tip that reaches deep into tightly packed fuse blocks, allowing me to extract blown micro fuses without disturbing the surrounding relays. The cutting edges on the diagonal cutters are laser-hardened and astoundingly sharp. However, what truly sets the Pitbulls apart from the competition is the advanced pivot joint design. GEARWRENCH engineered these to require 35% less effort to cut through heavy-gauge automotive wire compared to standard pliers. I was able to slice through thick, rubbery primary wire insulation and thick copper cores like butter, using only one hand and minimal grip strength. The dual material grips on the Pitbull series are arguably the best in the entire automotive business. They provide exceptional comfort, completely resist degradation from harsh automotive fluids like brake clean and synthetic oil, and even feature built-in tether points for drop prevention. The pivot points operate with a silky smoothness right out of the package. 1. Klein Tools 94130. When you are dealing with modern automotive electrical systems, especially the high-voltage systems found in hybrid or electric vehicles, safety and absolute precision are paramount. Klein delivers flawlessly on both fronts. This set is officially rated for 1,000 volts, featuring incredibly thick, multi-layer, flame-retardant insulation on the handles. Even if you only ever work on standard 12-volt systems, the peace of mind and the incredibly solid, robust feel of these grips make them vastly superior to anything else on the market. I used the insulated diagonal cutters and long-nose pliers to completely rewire a complex, custom fuse block layout. The level of precision offered by the Klein tools is absolutely staggering. The long-nose pliers are machined so perfectly that you can manipulate the tiniest, most fragile pins inside a delicate ECM connector housing without bending them. The gripping teeth hold onto thin wires like a vise, allowing for perfect routing through tight engine bay firewalls. The diagonal cutters are a true work of art. They snap through heavy wiring with a crisp, clean break that leaves absolutely no fraying, ensuring your connections are always perfectly flush. The induction-hardened steel means the cutting knives stay razor-sharp for years, completely ignoring the dulling effects of cutting through thick zip ties and heavy insulation. The machining at the hot riveted pivot point is so impossibly tight that there is absolutely zero wobble in the jaws, yet they open and close with incredibly smooth fluidity. Furthermore, the vibrant orange insulation makes them incredibly easy to spot if you accidentally leave them resting under the hood. The grips feature integral thumb guards that prevent your hands from slipping forward toward uninsulated metal, ensuring maximum safety.